Small madam, standing by for you.
You are very stupid. Who are you calling small madam? Do I look small to you? Eh? How many times have I warned you to stop calling me such? Sorry for yourself. Well, I want you to lock the gate and give me the key.
Ma?
You deaf? No. I said lock the gate and give me the key.
Okay. Ma?
Open the gate!
Small madam.
Huh?
Sorry, ma. Your sister said I should lock the gate and give her the keys.
And you did?
Yes.
Knowing well that I am going out.
Sorry, ma. Small, I'm sorry, ma. Please, ma. Don't be offended, please.
Go and get me that key. What's the meaning of that shit you did?
You're blocking my view.
I demand an answer.
I said you're blocking my view. Don't let me push you.
Let me have the key to the gate.
Or what? Listen. No one's leaving this house until those documents are signed. Yes, you heard me.
Carl, you are pushing me.
You will do nothing. Like I said, nobody's leaving this house until those documents are signed.
Let me have the key to the fucking gate! Hey! Monique! Oh my God, not again.
And what is the problem?
She locked the gate so I won't go out.
Huh?
Not only you, including Mom. Nobody's leaving this house until those documents are signed.
Monique, you know what? Just calm down. I will sort this out myself. And you, let me have the key.
No, Mom.
Don't let me repeat myself. I said, let me have the key!
If you like repeat yourself 200 times, I don't care. Yes, until those documents are signed, nobody is leaving this house.
Dad?
Just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down! I have an appointment and it's fucking getting late!
I'll sort this out. Just be calm, okay?
Sugar, I miss you. I was thinking, why don't you spend the night at my place?
Oh, I miss you too. I must tell you that I'm not going to be just
Okay, it's fine. Still be on the call. I just want to keep sit.
I want to tell you that I am your older sister. And you will accord me that respect. Else, this house will not contain both of us.
I'm sorry about that. It's just the she-goat that calls herself my sister. Yes, we are. I restricted every movement in the house. Yes, the house is temporarily on shutdown. Nobody goes out. Nobody comes in.
Wow. Now you're acting like my baby.
You trust what I can do, right?
Trust you. Tell me how you do.
I'm fine. Just drinking myself.
Wow.
Paul! Paul! Go and break the key.
Ma?
Break the key.
Ma, I don't have any hammer to break any key here.
Okay, go outside and call anyone that can break it. Carpenter, welder, anybody.
Huh?
Go!
Okay. Ma, if they asked me for the amount, how much will I tell them?
Tell him to come and pay.
Ma, will you mount the gate for me?
Get out!
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
Oh, really? Oh, really? My love, I will call you back. My mom wants to discuss something important with me. Love you. What is it? For the umpteenth time. Go and open that gate. Mom. No. I don't like repeating myself. I will not open the gate.
Very well then. I'll have no option than do what is in my mind.
Okay. Huh? Do whatever thing that's your mind. I don't care. Wait. Don't tell me this is the reason you made me end my call.
She's
huh?
a sister astray. A sister astray. She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Oh, a sister astray. A sister astray. The black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She's a sister astray. A sister astray. the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself. Her sister's desires. Her sister is lost. She's a sister astray.
Who's that fool? Huh? Who's that goat? Are you mad? Have you lost it? Huh? Who are you?
Who are you? Who you be?
Am I the one you're asking such stupid question? Are you mad?
You mean you slap?
Do your worst. Do your worst.
You slap me? Wait! See, this monkey is slapping me.
How dare you? No, leave it. What is the problem? Madam? Huh?
Now you picking me this? So this girl get mind slap man like me? Eh? Just because I can't do work for you? See, notice me I be tout. Look, I'm a graduate. I'm not a tout. And my wife is far older than you. Do you understand?
And so? Oh, please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. And you have the nerves to serve someone that has a wife like you at home? Huh? Please, I'm so sorry. Carry your smelly self out of here. Shut up!
I don't blame you. I finish my work.
She's a sister astray. Her sister astray. She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means.
How much is it?
3,000.
For family, I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family?
This is 5,000 naira. I am so sorry for the embarrassment. Thank you so much, yes. Sorry for the embarrassment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
5,000.
It's very big.
Open the gate, open the gate.
Okay. The black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She's a sister astray. A sister astray. The black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself and her selfish desires. Our sister is lost. She's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire?
Madam.
What are you saying?
Exactly, she came with 2 policemen. And immediately they came down. I thought I had been arrested. They said I should hands up. I hands up. They said I should enter the car. I entered the car. It was when they are moving and she changed her mind. She said I should take them to the carpenter's workshop. I took them to the carpenter's workshop and they arrested him immediately.
What you're trying to say is that the carpenter is in the police net?
Exactly, ma. They arrested the carpenter and took him to the police station. But I did not go there with them because I was scared.
Where is Kali?
Ma?
Has she returned?
No, ma. She has not. Oh. Thank you very much, ma. I salute you, ma. A clear road for you. After you, na you. Senior madam.
Your call. What's this? What is this? Bella! Bella!
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, you called me. Bella.
Ma.
I saw you discussing with my daughter when she was driving out.
Yes, ma.
What was she telling you?
She was giving me instructions on how to clean her room.
Did she tell you where she was going?
No, ma, she didn't.
You may leave.
She's a sister astray. A sister astray. She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Oh, our sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray, she's a sister astray, a sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself and her selfish desires. Our sister is lost. She's a sister astray.
I told you you don't have anything to worry about.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm calling for the vacation. I've paid for so many things.
I know. I need to work for this.
Trust me now. You have you. I told you you don't have anything to worry about. Oh, man. That vacation is gonna be fun. So tell me, baby.
Yeah.
Tell me how about that guy? What's up with that guy?
Really? He's chilling in the cell. And you know what? I told the policeman not to grant him bail.
Wait. You're trying to tell me that you bribed the police?
Of course, I did. I have the money.
This girl, you're not gonna kill me. Well, the thing is, he deserves it. Next time, he will know who to mess with. He will know his lane, so he will not gonna end up rotting in jail like every other time.
Don't mind that fool. He has the guts. I gave him what he wanted.
That guy's crazy for real. For him to lay his filthy hands on you is crazy. Huh? Was your mom there when the guy slapped you?
No. She was not there when he slapped me.
Okay.
But when she came, I told her he slapped me. And she didn't do anything.
I don't understand for real. Your mom didn't do anything.
At all. That's why I arrested him.
Well, I'm going to say you did a good job, babe. For arresting that dude. To lay his filthy hands on my queen. He deserved more. He was lucky I wasn't there. I'm not just gonna put him in the police station. I'll throw him in the bushes, you know what I'm saying? The forest.
I know what you can do. Nothing, boy.
I don't want to lose her on my queen and go scot-free. No, you know what I want to know.
These stupid local guys thinking they can lay their hands on me. He's not saying anything.
You.
He spend the rest of his life in that.
I tell you, real
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Our sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray, she's a sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself and her selfish desires. Our sister is lost. She's a sister astray.
The young man was arrested.
What young man?
The carpenter.
By who? Kali?
She came back here with 2 policemen. Ordered Paul to join them in the vehicle. Paul then took them to the man's workshop. And according to Paul, the man has been detained. Huh?
Is she around?
She drove out.
Bella! Bella!
Yes, ma'am.
Small madam, at your service.
What happened while I was away?
Ma? Okay. Hey, small madam. As you left,
Hurry the talk, Paul, please.
Oh, sorry ma. The other madam, the other small madam now, came with 2 policemen. And in fact, they arrested me. I was even thinking they're going to deal with me until they said I should enter the car. And while we were going, she changed her mind and said I should take her to the carpenter's workshop. It was then I knew that the carpenter is in trouble. Immediately we got there, they arrested the carpenter and took him to the police station. So I decided to fall back to my duty post.
Honey, where are you going?
The station to bail the man. Follow me, Paul.
Be careful.
So tell me why you fighting your family? People that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Where is Paul?
I don't know where he is.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Kali, I'm talking to you. Listen to me, my friend. What is wrong with you?
I heard you arrested the man that came to call the key. Why?
I have no answers to your questions.
Don't leave that. What is wrong with you?
No, I should be asking you what is wrong with you, mother. You were there. That man slapped me in my father's house and you did nothing. Now you're here to ask me rubbish questions.
Shut up your mouth, you idiot. Are you stupid or you're learning how to be stupid? Oh, is it because I've been keeping you quiet? Hey! If you step an inch from here, consider yourself a non-member of this family. That's what is wrong with you! Did we do anything wrong sending you and your sister abroad to study? Your father died of heart attack. God see you! And here you are still bad behaved!
I did not kill my father. Monica and I did.
Shut up! One more word from you, I will remove your front teeth! Drop it! Drop it! Let me have the bag.
Mother,
let me have the bag!
So tell me why you fighting your family? The people that care for you the most, and You know that it's wrong, what you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
So, madam, you sent for me.
How many times will I want you to stop calling me that small madam?
Sorry, ma. Mistake.
When I came back, I didn't see you at the gate. Where were you?
Ma? Oh! Yeah, madam, your sister came back and she took me to the police station to go and bail the carpenter.
My sister?
Yes.
Wait. You said she took you to the station to bail the carpenter?
Yes, ma'am. She took me to the police station to bail that carpenter.
Was she able to bail you?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Sorry. Get out.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
These policemen are very stupid. Simple tasks I give them, and they could not do it. Hello? I want to see both of you at my place now. Stop asking me stupid questions. I want to see you at my place now! Stupid people. Simple tasks. Lock this guy in the cell. I will make sure they pay every penny of what I give them. Stupid people. Rubbish.
Who that be like? Eh? Who is knocking like that on this my gate? Who are you? Who? See your police. What are you looking for?
Madam asked us to come.
Yes. Small madam. Yes. Wait for me. I'm coming. I'll be back.
Where's my money?
Good day, madam.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Can I have my money?
What do you mean by can you have your money?
And what type of silly question is that? Huh?
Madam,
Hand over my 400,000 naira back to me.
madam, please calm down.
I should calm down.
Calm down, yes.
Really?
Yes.
Paul!
Ma'am.
Lock this gate.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure no one leaves this house until I say so.
What? Madam, please come.
Are you ready to hand over my money to me?
Okay, call your account.
Rubbish. Access 5389446642. Be fast.
Done. Confirm.
Same. You're lucky. Rubbish. Simple tasks I asked the both of you to do. You could not deliver. You're not ashamed of yourself. Big for nothing. Carry yourself out of this house. Open the gate for them.
Okay, ma'am.
Lunch is ready.
Okay, serve mine.
Ma, you called me.
What food did you prepare?
Egusi, bitter leaf, oha, and okra.
Okay. I guess I will go with the bitter leaf soup.
Okay, ma.
Bring it to my room.
Alright.
Where are you taking that food to?
I'm taking it upstairs for Madam Kali.
Take it back.
Ma, please. She will kill me if I don't.
Take it back. Are you mad?
No, sorry.
Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Bella!
Ma!
Bella! Ma! Bella!
I'm answering you, ma.
Why are you standing there? Huh? I thought I asked you to get me my food.
I stopped her.
You did what?
Kali, if you want to eat, just go to the dining and eat. It is purposely made for eating.
Monica, are you okay? Where should it? Is it supposed to be your business? Huh? Haven't you eaten yours?
I am not saying you shouldn't eat. Just go eat at the dining. Stop eating in your room.
Bella, get my food to the room.
Bella, remain there.
Yes, ma.
Bella, bring my food to my room this minute.
Bella, remain there.
Bella, what is going on upstairs? How dare you? Don't you dare. Raise your hands on me. What do you do?
Kali, what is it? What is it again?
I just asked her to eat at the dining if she wants to eat.
Now, why would you say a thing like that?
The dining is purposely made for eating. She should stop eating in her room.
Kali, I'm sorry about this. And Bella?
Yes, sir.
Go bring her food, take it to her room.
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong, what you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this?
Collect your food now.
Is this why you're calling me?
I don't understand. Is it not enough reason for me to call you?
Hey.
Please take your food.
Wait, I want to ask you something. Do you have men in your family?
Yes. We are 4 in number. 3 boys and a girl. What is it?
You mean 3 boys as in men, matured men in your family? 3 boys?
Paul, please. What are you driving at? What is it?
I mean, you have able-bodied men. That is, Afudipa, Afogologimie, men like me in your family. Eh? Because the way you are behaving, I don't think you have men in your family. Because, I mean, ever since you started this work as a cook, I have been the one coming here to pick my food.
Am I supposed to be the one bringing your food?
No,
I'm asking you.
You see?
See, look. If you cannot come to the kitchen to carry your food, you can starve for all I care.
That is exactly why I'm asking you if you are sure you have matured, as in respectable men in your house.
Please take your food.
Live with.
Take your food.
Huh?
Take your food. What is your problem?
Can I ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
Madam and her children, do they come here to carry their food?
You have said it all. You are not madam, neither the children. So are you taking this food or not?
Okay. So you are looking down on me because I'm wearing security uniform.
If you don't collect this food now and I leave this place, I promise you will not eat today. Huh? So take your food, let me go.
The audacity.
Collect your food now. What kind of rubbish is this?
Huh?
Take it one. Take it two. Okay.
Wait. Just bring it, no problem.
No, don't take it.
No problem.
And please, bring back my plates. Let me not come there to take my plate by myself.
So you are even planning to even eat my ration? Eh? There's no problem. You lack respect for men. Able-bodied men.
Please, where is the men? I'm looking for them. I cannot see any. Are you a man? You.
Abi?
My friend, please just go. Are you a man?
Listen.
Are you a man? Are you a man? Please go.
Good day, Barrister.
You're welcome.
My name is Gloria Ozo, the daughter of the late Augustus Eleganza.
Oh, the late Augustus. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
So tell me, how is your sister holding on?
She's fine. I was told you're my late father's lawyer.
Yes, I am.
So I want to know something. What are the instructions my father left concerning his will?
I don't understand what you mean by what are the instructions your father left behind in his will.
What I'm trying to say is, why haven't my father's will be read?
Well, if you must know, it is not in my power to decide when your father's will should be read.
So, who is withholding it?
I will advise you go back home and ask your mother that question.
Let me tell you something, Barrister. I am not a child. And I hate my emotions to be told with.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What do you mean by you don't understand what I'm talking about? Huh? Why haven't my father's will be read? My mother said she has no idea why my father's will hasn't been read.
Well, if your mother says she has no idea why your father's will has been delayed, neither am I as well. Can you please leave my office? I've got jobs to do.
Like I said before, I hate my emotions to be told with.
Please leave my office. I'm done with this conversation right now. Western world. This is Nigeria, and not the US of A where you think you're coming from. Uncultured and unschooled. Nonsense.
My love. Huh? Relax. Listen, that shouldn't be the reason for you not to have eaten anything. I strongly believe that money will come from somewhere.
Money will come from somewhere. Where? How am I going to get money? Do you want me to steal?
Okay, but what about the money I gave you last week?
Babe, my love, are you the one asking me this question? You know, I told you my engine got knocked. It was my friend George that even gave me some money to complete it.
Oh, yeah, that's true. You told me. Well, you still have to cheer up. Huh?
Cheer up? Baby, you want me to cheer up? A man that has no money, cheer up? Cheer up for what? Come on now, I can't cheer up. You know I can't. Okay.
It's fine.
You know I have a lot of responsibilities. I can't.
I know, my love. It's okay. You know I don't like seeing you in this mood. Don't worry. I'll check if I can do anything.
Where?
I'm not promising you.
You don't have to promise me, even though you can meet up, at least I have hope. Come on, babe, I have a lot in my head.
Just be happy for me. I'll just check my accounts and see if I will transfer money to your account.
That's not good. You know I love you.
I love you more.
Come here.
You know I can do anything for you.
So tell me
I love you more.
your family, the people that care for
Thank you very much.
You know that
I would have done without you. You're a lifesaver.
You know your happiness is also my happiness.
Come on, you can say that again.
Should I serve you the food now?
You know, you of all people know I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry?
Yes.
Brother, can I ask you one question?
I'm all ears, I'm listening.
If I were to be Kali and another man is treating me the way you're treating her, how will you feel?
Neka.
You called me by my native name today, brother.
Do you know the reason why I called you by your native name?
No? Tell me.
I'm going to tell you. Do I have a shop? Do I work in a company? Where do you think I give you the money you used to prepare food in this house today?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know because you don't have sense. You don't have sense. Let me tell you something. You are asking me silly questions, making silly statements. What is even wrong with you? Do you donate 1 naira in this house for any expenses to pay for bill, rent or anything? What is your problem? You have a boyfriend, yes or no? Do you have a boyfriend, yes or no? Of course you have a boyfriend. But you don't bring 1 naira to this house. All you do is eat, spend my money, live any other lifestyle. Your boyfriend, tell me, does your boyfriend, does he do it for free? Doesn't give you money?
Just like your girlfriend, brother. She has never gone home with anything from you. Instead, she has been the one spending on you.
Wow, you're being serious now. So you're trying to tell me that you are foolishly spending on your boyfriend. Wait, you are enriching your boyfriend with my money, right?
Me?
Yes, now.
Huh.
Who else gives you money? I'm the one giving you money.
I can do better than that, brother. I'm not a fool.
Jesus Christ. So you're telling me that my girlfriend is a fool?
Brother, that is not what I'm talking about. What I'm trying to say here is that the way you treat this girl is not nice. It's very, very unfair. You tell her all sorts of lies just to collect money from her and you claim you love her. That's not fair now.
You're a big fool. You don't have sense. Now you're trying to tell me that it's my fault that I'm a Yahoo guy.
But you're a Yahoo guy. I'll tell her you don't love her.
You are very stupid. Just try and take that word to my girlfriend. You find the your lying body on the floor.
You don't love somebody and you claiming you love her.
Are you being serious? My friend, get out of this place. Try and go to her with us. You find your dead body on the floor. Leave here, my friend. Don't blame you now. I'm feeding you on a daily basis, so you don't have anything to think of. You're thinking of destroying my relationship.
Who amongst you went to Barrister Frey's office?
Oh, he told you. Well, I did.
You did? And what did you go there to do?
I went to ask him why our father's will hasn't been read. Guess what he said? He said I should come back home and ask you.
Ask her what?
Huh? Shh. Mind your business.
You had the guts to go to Barrister Fred's office to ask him nonsense after messing up and killing Dad?
Can you just shut up? Keep quiet, please.
How dare you! Stop! 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 Oh my God! Stop it! Stop it! Can you miss what it goes? Tell you what? Wait. No, get out of my way! Come down! Let me just show you what is here. Sit down. My wife, Mom! You fool! Do something. I don't care! What did I do to you? Why do you want to give me this now? You should ask her that. Not me! Not me! I didn't do anything!
You don't want to pick your call. Huh? Have to pick this call. What? Money? Wait, please. I want you to do something for me. If you get to the office, tell the cashier to remit your sister's monthly salary into her account.
Why? It is just the 5th of this month.
Well, she said she needs the money. Ask the cashier to do what I said.
Mom, you're the one indirectly causing Carly to behave like this.
So, what would you have me do? Deny her of her salary? It's her salary after all. Please. Just do as I said.
Yeah, hello, babe.
Hello, my love. How are you?
Well, to be honest, I'm not doing okay.
You're not fine. Why?
You know now, my landlord called today and they asked rent. It's just stressing.
Wait, baby, is it about the money? But I've sent it to you.
I don't understand. You sent me money.
Yes, baby, I sent you 2 million naira. Check your phone.
2 million? Okay, hold on, babe. Let me check my phone, okay? I'll get back to you, please.
Alright, baby, please be okay, huh?
I don't understand. I need to receive a lot again. Again.
How much did she send?
My sister. 2 meters.
2 what?
2 million. 2 million. Again, I told you now.
No, this is not fair.
As they play the show.
Stop now.
What did you just say?
This is not fair. What you're doing to this girl is not fair.
Talk that thing again. You come up for this house. No, I'm serious. You come up for this house. 2 million. Your broke ass boyfriend. Wait, you don't get sense. You know, you see this. Look at the way you are glowing. Look at the way. This is my doing. This is my responsibility. Where if you started to get this money, they take care of, they feed it, they pick it, they do. Hey, TikTok, laugh. You
It's my money.
Brother, this is gold you are digging.
Well, then I shouldn't dig good. I should go and dig groundnuts. My friend, I'm going to get my laptop in my room. I'm coming. 2 million. Don't worry, go and dig groundnut with your boyfriend, yeah? 2 million, bye-bye.
Change!
Change, kill you there.
Hey, boy, is this girl okay? How can she be sending money to a man? Adam. Huh. Anyways, that one is her business. Her eyes will soon clear. 2 million naira, just like that.
What were you searching for in my room? Leave me alone. What were you searching for in my room? Leave me alone, no. What were you searching for? You know what I can do for you, right? Do it. No. I will not leave out. Searching for in my room. Leave me. Now. Leave me alone. Leave me first. Leave me. Leave me now. What are you looking for in my room? Leave me alone. Let me tell you what I say. You should leave her. Leave her.
What is it again? This time, what is it?
Ask her what she was looking for in my room.
Come on, will you shut up? Huh? What are you feeling like? Are you mad? Are you okay? Stop it!
If anything goes missing in my room, you have me to contend.
What will you do? You will not do anything. And you, what are you looking for in her room? Something precious to me. Huh? This will be the last time you hold me like that again. Be careful. I'm not your mate.
When you say this nonsense attitude, the cowardly shows off. You are the cause of it.
How? How do you mean?
Because you did not let me deal with her. Yes! I know what I could do to Carly to make her calm down. It wasn't like this in the States. I couldn't take this shit from her. She couldn't show this shitty attitude in front of me.
I mean, this same shit you couldn't take from her that sent your father to his early grave, and you're here talking about shit. Guess what? Kill me! They won't kill me! Just 2 kills. Were you employed to this house to gossip?
I'm sorry, ma. I didn't know you were hiding it.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Are you stupid?
No, ma, I'm sorry.
Common sense you don't have. And what is going on here? Rubbish. Bella, yes, what happened?
She slapped me.
What did you do?
She said I told Auntie Monique that she was ransacking her room.
That's why she slapped you? Carly!
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong what you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this?
Oh, that reminds me. There is something I've been longing to take up with you.
And what would that be?
It's over a year your husband died. And his instruction was that 6 months after his burial, the content of his will should be made known to every one of you.
Be that as it may, I do not want the will to be made known to my children now, and the decision I know is for their own benefit.
How do you mean, Mom?
These kids are already fighting over their will without hearing from you.
Is it not better to read the will to them so they all know where they belong?
Barrister Fred is like you don't understand what I'm talking about. They will kill each other.
Mom, something needs to be done fast. The younger one has been coming around threatening me. Though I'm not afraid of her anyway.
Did she come to you again?
She came around my office this morning dangling threats before me.
What is wrong with Kali? What is wrong with this girl?
I will advise you tell her to keep off my office. When next I set my eyes on her around my office premises, I will get her arrested. I just said I should tell you.
You know what? Barrister Fred, get her arrested. You have my go-ahead.
It's alright then. Do have a nice day.
You too.
I'll see you.
You're welcome. How are you? I'm fine. No, I'm fine. Are you okay? No. Oh. Yes, I'm fine.
Did my brother offend you?
Not at all. We are cool. We have jollof rice in case you want to eat.
No, I'm fine. Thank you. Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay. Alright. See you soon.
I don't know why you are still cold about this whole thing.
What am I going to do now? I'm confused.
Well, it's simple. You sue them to court and you have your own share. That's the right thing to do.
Do you know you're right?
Thank God I wasn't born from that kind of family. But everybody for don't collect. All men. I'm telling you.
Can you believe my sister is holding all my father's company's documents?
Wait. Is she the one managing the company?
Yes.
I've told you before, one day they are just going to sell you to someone and you wouldn't know.
That's never going to happen.
I'm telling you. Look, the both of you are daughters of a queen and you deserve equal treatment. Listen, your sister will just read everything, change all the name, company, everything, all your father's properties to her name, knowing fully well that your mother is going to die one day. So what are you going to do by that time?
You know, I never thought of all these things.
You know your sister. From the first day I saw her, I didn't like her. She's too full of herself. But when she knows this is not Nigeria, this is not the America. If you do anyhow, you collect anyhow. Collect with tuporiously. Make sure you understand the lyrics, so. You did feel me?
I know exactly what to do.
You know exactly what to do?
Of course.
Make it well you can. Because I don't know it's gonna be too late by that time. You know me now. I could deny you IJ. Flat. So now when you feel do something, when you feel run streets.
So
maybe my mouth, you go from things, you know what to do. No matter.
The people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. But you
Bella, honestly speaking, the day she will try and touch me, I mean, raise her hands on me, that is, what I will do that day, I'm sure that day will be the day I will resign. Because I'll make sure I shock everybody.
Honestly, I felt so helpless. That my fellow girl, a small girl, raises her hand to me whenever she wants and I can't even do anything about it simply because I'm working in their house. Excuse me.
Nah, Bella, nah, Russia. Because me, I know what I can do now. I know my morale now. This life no balance at all. But if I talk, I go be like say I talk too much.
Take a look at this.
Is it a land document?
Open it.
Hey! Bella Shmoda, you mean you're a graduate?
BSc from University of Ibadan. After I graduated, I sought for a job for over 3 years without getting any. So my friend brought me here. At least I'll be working and getting small change till I get a good job. And one small rat thinks that she can beat me, insult me, order me around whenever she wants, just because their father is rich.
This is sad. Very, very sad. I mean, terrible. Human beings are bad. They are bad. Shebi their father that made this money is dead. Eh? I keep on saying it, there is nothing in this life. This life is nothing. Full of nothing. Or where if I didn't hear, but people will not understand. You know, if I... Well...
Paul, I promise you today that I will remind her of that slap in the future.
It will come to pass.
Amen.
In fact, it must surely come to pass.
Amen.
Huh? Nonsense. These people are bad though. Just imagine the way she wants to use her ugly hands to rumple this your beautiful face. Huh? Fine girl like you. Huh? There's no problem. Sorry, huh?
Thank you.
Sorry. Hey. I know. Bella Shmoda. Bella. How about that thing I told you about? That thing.
You see?
You understand now?
Please, Paul. Please don't add your... In fact, I'm having a bad mood already. So please don't add yours. I'm not ready for any relationship now. Please.
You see all this bad mood, is this our relationship that is going to uplift your mood, to cement your mood very well?
Really? Okay. So let's say now I agree to date you. How are you going to take care of me? With this small change I pay you.
Why are you dribbling me now? Am I not man enough?
My dear, you are man enough. But certainly not for me, eh? Every man with his own woman. Please let me go back.
Bella, that's not the promise you made to me, oh. This is not what you promised me, oh. At least you are my level, oh. Cook and get man. Everything blending. Even we will not even bother for food to take care of you. You'll be cooking for madam. Two of us will be eating from there. I'll still be working and making money. My life will be taken care of.
What kind of a sister will be against her family?
Bella!
Just for selfish desire.
Bella!
Sister astray. The black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray.
When I came back, what did I do to you? If you don't talk, I'll look for something and break your head.
You slapped her.
And I think I'm going to slap you again if you don't give me a good reason why you didn't clean up my room.
I did. I cleaned everywhere.
You did? So explain why this bed sheet is still on my bed. Why didn't you change it?
I could not change it because the ones I washed have not dried.
Oh, that's not a good reason. It's not. Rubbish. Listen, I'll be leaving very early tomorrow morning. Make sure you wash this bedsheet. And I'll also bring out all my dirty clothes. The dry cleaner said he'll be here as early as 10 a.m. Give it to him.
Yes, ma'am.
What food did you prepare?
Basmati rice.
Who asked you to prepare it?
Your sister did.
My sister gave you order to prepare food. And you did?
Ma, I did. Because she gave me the order and your mother supported it.
Oh, and now you want me to eat the food, Abby? You're lucky I'm hungry. Serve the food in my room.
Thank you, ma.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire?
Yes, I arrested her. Of course. Why will she slap me? Mom, please, I beg you. Huh? She had the guts to raise her hands on me, right? Listen, she will spend the week in the cell. Come back where? Please, where I am very busy. I can't come back home right now. Do I care? Let her cool off her brain in the cell, and so? Mom, please don't even start. Don't even start. I'll call you back later. Please, please. Bye-bye. Rubbish.
What happened, babe?
You know that stupid girl that calls herself my sister? She had the guts to slap me, to raise her dirty hands on me. By the time I am done dealing with her, she will know the difference between Calista and Monica.
You are your sister again. Well, for your sister, she has the guts. Man, two of you, man. Well, she will learn a lesson. For her to raise her hands on a queen like you, she will have to rot there for a while.
Please. If not my mother said, I would have said let her spend the rest of her life in jail.
Next time she won't try that shit again. I tell you.
She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family?
I am bigger than you, as long as the Ekwesi family is concerned. You forgot that nothing on earth would make me spend a day at the police station. I promise you, one day you will go there and you will never return.
Can you please stop barking like a dog?
I will kill you right now if you try to talk to me like that one more time.
Try! No, try and see if you will not spend the rest of your life in jail. Will you get sharp?
Kali, the next time what happened earlier repeats itself, you will not just have me to contend with, but you will as well kiss Ekwenze family goodbye. Did I make myself clear?
Am I asking for too much? Eh? Give me my own share of my father's company. Let me face my life.
Yes! I am tired of repeating this talk every time. Just call Barrister Fred. Let him come here and read father's will so that everybody will follow their lane.
You know, first time in your miserable life, you're actually sounding like my sister. Huh?
Listen, both of you. I am still your mother. Henceforth, I wouldn't want any of you to say anything concerning your father's will. If you think I am joking, then be the first to say that. This meeting is over.
I'm tired. I want my own share. I want my
I am the one suffering and I'm still the one trying to do this. What an false.
Is this how they raise children? Just 2. And I'm already going crazy.
So tell me why you fighting your family. The people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing that?
Why are you even looking like that? Don't you know this is an office? Why are you knocking like that? And who are you looking for?
I am from the court. I'm here to see Madam Rebecca Ekweze.
The court? You're here to see who?
Madam Rebecca Ekweze. Is she in?
Madam. Okay. It's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Madam is not around. Nobody's around. Why are you looking for her?
I have a message for her from the court. So, let me give her this once she's back. And sign here for me.
Thank you very much. God bless you, God bless you. Yeah. Are you serious? Thank you very, very much. Yeah.
Who bought this?
The security man received it on my behalf.
Is that why you're so cold? Are you afraid of going to court?
I am not particularly afraid of going to court. But I'm definitely afraid of what people will say. Ekwenze family in court.
Come on, Mom. We're not the first family to go to court.
Why must it be us?
Mom, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Huh?
Why has your sister Kali refused to be calm in this life? What have I done to deserve this?
That useless boy, Cross. He's the one misleading Callista.
Cross? And you never cared to tell me about this?
I just kept hoping that she would change.
Ah. Exactly. She has changed. And we are going to court.
Please. It's just court. Don't make it look like it's a big deal. I'm tired.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry, with profound respect to you. Did she mention something like this before this court suit was actually served?
No, we just received it.
So what exactly do you want me to do about it?
Barrister Fred, is there nothing you can do to withdraw this suit?
I'm afraid you will have to talk to the complainant if you want this suit to be withdrawn, since you're not willing to go to court with her.
No need. We'll meet in court.
I do not want to go to court.
Mom, if you do not want to go to court, then you have to grant her wishes.
Going to court is not a good one.
How? That we'll lose?
I am not concerned about losing the case. I'm concerned about the family's reputation here is at stake.
I don't care. We are not the first family to go to court.
Shut up, Monique. Either you or your sister cannot drag this family to court.
I'm sorry, I'll have to take my leave now. I was just on my way for a closed-door conference with one of the clients when you called me.
That's alright, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, I'll see you one day. You can help us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
What is court, Mom? If you are that scared to go to court, then grant her wishes.
The people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing, why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this?
Money.
Why are you doing
Money.
this?
I want us to talk.
You have been inside since morning. I'm late. It should wait.
And so? I've been inside this morning, and so? I want to talk to you now.
Who are you to give me such orders?
Really? If you don't talk to me, you will not like my next move.
To hell with your next move.
Wow. Alright. No problem. We shall see to that.
Against her family, just for selfish desire. Our sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She's a sister.
What was it you wanted to tell me?
How many years have you worked in our father's company?
Years? Daddy just died last year, so it's roughly 1 year. Why?
Wow. So you've worked in our father's company for a year. So why haven't I get any return from you or mommy?
Return? Do I owe you some kind of return?
I'm talking about my annual return.
Yes. What is wrong with you? You sit here all day doing nothing while I work from morning till night. Same salary mom pays you, she pays me.
I'm not talking about any salary. I'm talking about my annual return, my share from the company. Yes.
Then I think you should direct that question to mommy.
Listen, for the betterment of this family, do what is right. So this is what she meant by for the betterment of the family. Fine. We will go to court and see who will win. Oh, Christ.
Yeah, not to worry, she will soon join us.
Mother, you called me.
Yes, I called you. Sit down.
I don't want to sit. Whatever you have to say it here. So I can go upstairs and rest. I'm tired.
I want you to sit because what I'm about to deliberate with you is not what you are going to stand up there and be ranting about. Sit down.
Please be fast.
Remove that headphone.
Mom.
Take a look at this.
What is this?
I want you to open that envelope and paste through what is inside it.
What about this?
Kali, do you really sue us? The Ekwensi family?
No. I sued you and mother, not the Ekwensi family.
Are you continue going to be a dullard? Who and who make up the Ekwensi family?
That's your business. All I know is on the 24th of this month, both of you are to see me in court.
Take. Withdraw the suit.
What?
You heard me. Withdraw the suit.
I will not do such a thing.
And no one is forcing you to. Because I am waiting for you in court. I told you not to call this girl down here. Are you afraid of going to court that bad?
I am not afraid of going to court like I said. But not to worry. She'll come back with regretful questions.
Jesus! Hey! Look who we have here. Juan.
Hey, brother.
You didn't pack our load.
Hey. They're not going back. Jesus, Yes, it's very fine. It's your...
What happened?
Hey! Hey!
Oh, yeah, Lord.
See fine house, oh.
John, I told you it's a small visit, oh.
It's not small. I'm not going back to the village, oh, brother. You will find work for me here. I will stay. Carry it. It's a view. Don't spoil my sense. Let's open your door.
Small madam, welcome, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
At your service, ma.
Is my mother around?
Yes, ma'am. Small madam, she's at the back there. Welcome, ma.
Brother,
Thank you, ma.
did you see her boots?
Original boot from Yankee.
It's very fine. Look, did you see what that car did?
The car?
It was open before and it started closing like this. Started closing. It now closed.
Madam said that car is called condemned table.
Table. This
Condemned
thing is a
table.
car, but I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
What? You want to implicate yourself?
No, nah, you're supposed to allow me. Let me touch it. And your phone, does it have camera? At least let me use it to snap and post. So village people will see that I'm in this
Small madam will see you and she will arrest you.
But brother, the car is far now. They are not here now. They will not see me.
I said, you don't implicate yourself. You see, madam is the good one.
She
doesn't use to slap.
Okay, this is the good one.
The good one. She doesn't use to slap.
The people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing, why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Monique, why did you call me out here?
I couldn't find anywhere confidential for us to talk. And I didn't want you to come to my house.
You don't want me to come to yours. Why didn't you come to my own house?
Do you have a house?
Excuse me.
Whatever. Look, I want us to be very diplomatic so that we can end well. What do you want from my sister?
And what sort of stupid question is that? Are you the one supposed to ask me that question or your sister?
I see! You couldn't answer because you did not mean well for her. Stay away from my sister. Okay?
Monique, so you call me out here under the sun to rain this insult on me, yeah?
We don't need you. She doesn't need you. And you don't deserve her. Okay? If I see you close to my sister again.
But what you gonna do? Chop off my head?
You likely know what I'll do.
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong, what you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this?
Why do you want me to withdraw the case?
Because you've got a family's name to protect. I won't have you drag that name before the court.
Is that all?
Listen, you guys can make amends and then embrace peace.
I will sue you too.
What?
Yes! Now I know that you're a wolf in sheep clothing.
I won't have you come into my office and speak to me in such manners. Remember, I'm a lawyer.
Shut up! You judge and be a lawyer. To help with you and your profession. Rubbish.
She just insulted me. This lady does not know what I'm capable of.
Good day, ma.
Good day, ma. Good day, I'm going to see.
Ma, this is Joy, my sister.
Oh, Joanne?
Yes, ma'am.
You're most welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Say, tell Bella to make something delicious for her to eat.
Wow, thank you very much, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Alright. I'll be inside. Alright.
Bella! 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 Bella, 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 Bella!
What is it? What is your problem? Also display your stupidity all the time. Why are you shouting? Ah!
You're not even in your office. You're even at the back of the office.
And how is your concern? What is your problem? I've warned you. Mind where you call my name.
So if small madam want me finish, even you now, kitchen madam, you come and warn me. Thank you very much. Look, this is my sister, Joanne. She's coming from the village. Madam said I should tell you to cook something delicious for her. Delicious. Very, very delicious and sumptuous. Like she's very, very hungry.
Good afternoon there.
My love, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Fine, okay? Beautiful girl. And you, so all the food I has been cooking all this while, it's not delicious?
No. Ha. That one is deli, oh. That one is deli. She said cook something delicious for her. Not deli. Delicious and sumptuous.
I don't have your time yet. Ne, what would you like to eat?
Do you guys have apple? Fufu, that's what it's apple.
No, we don't have fufu, but we have other swallows like semo, so.
John, eat semo. It's the same family with fufu. The same family, just fufu semo.
Alright, just give me semo and egusi.
Okay, semo and egusi.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll prepare it.
Look, make sure you garnish the egusi very well. A lot of fish, meat, oboroko, and even dry fish, or as the fridge itself. Make it delicious and sumptuous. Garnish it very well.
My love, in 5 minutes time, your food will be ready, okay?
Alright, thank you.
5 minutes? Remember to put my own.
I don't understand. Have you not eaten today? Oh, so because it's free food you're eating in this house, you don't know that food is expensive?
Are you on no progress? Hey, madam said you should cook something delicious for my sister to eat. That she's very, very hungry. That I should eat with her. She's not used to eating alone now. Do you want to have a problem with madam?
Don't worry. She will learn how to eat alone. My love,
Can't you eat alone?
Yeah, eat alone.
It's
not like I cannot eat alone. No. It's just that Madam said that
you will enjoy it, don't worry. For you. For her.
I know why I'm saying this to you, know. Madam, maybe you want to have a problem with Madam.
Oh, baby girl. Good evening. How are you? So how was it? Welcome.
You're welcome. Who was the girl I saw at the gate with Paul?
Oh, that. Her name is Joanne. She's Paul's younger sister.
Oh, when did she come?
Early this morning, though Paul told me she was going to come last week.
Okay.
Yes.
Baby, I'm not doing okay. Your sister needs to stop. What is the meaning of this? She's getting on my nerves. I'm not going to look at her face again. What is the meaning of this embarrassment today? I'm not going to look at her face again.
I'm so sorry about her behavior. Please forgive her.
How dare her call me out of my house under the sun, insult me and drove away? What is the meaning of that?
I'm sorry about it. I'll talk to her.
You better talk to her. She has her differences to solve with you and your family.
Enough! I said I will talk to her. I don't understand. I'll talk to her.
Are you being serious? I'm telling you that your sister is getting me angry, call me out of my own house, insult me, and you're yelling at me. What's the meaning of that nonsense? I'm telling you, your sister is getting on my nerves. You're yelling back at me?
Monique, you're really getting on my nerves. You're getting on my nerves.
Our sister is lost and sister astray.
Are you disturbed?
Why won't I be disturbed? Do you even know what it means for a woman to embarrass a man publicly? Do you?
What did she even say to you?
I don't care and I don't care. I don't want to know. I don't want to know what she said.
Brother, you need to calm down. You need to take it easy. You know she's a woman.
I don't give a fuck if she's a woman or not, but the next time she crosses my path, I will definitely gonna deal with her. I will.
Brother, just calm down. You know, this is what I've been telling you. But you don't listen. I'm going out.
Where are you going to exactly?
My boyfriend's place.
What?
Your boyfriend won't even give you money. Your broke boyfriend, well, you good. Just take care of yourself.
What? Bye.
Nika, be good.
I need to.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know.
You can go ahead and do that. I know you can afford it. Yes. Alright, bye.
Of the family, she's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Oh, our sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray.
Brother, who is she?
Eh?
Who is the lady you are meeting?
The second daughter I told you about.
Wait, the harsh one?
Yes.
What is even wrong with her? What's that stone that she just pulled?
She's always quarreling. Just wait now. Very soon now, you hear her start quarreling.
Quarreling with who?
I don't know. Sometimes with the mother, the sister, with anybody. She's always angry.
Me, I'm afraid though.
Afraid? Afraid of what?
Don't you see that she looks so mean?
She's a very no-nonsense girl. Oh. She doesn't take shit from anybody.
Now you see more reason why I should be afraid of her.
Just pray she doesn't remember you.
Remember me? You don't have any business. Why would she remember me? She don't remember me. She that always be here.
She's very mean.
She's just carrying her body. Please teach me better.
Very, very mean. Oh.
Well, where can we buy the Opa now? Mom. Where's my dog?
Where is she? You walked in here, ran upstairs without saying a word to your mother, and here you are asking me, where is Monique? Do you keep Monique in my custody?
I'm sure about that. Just tell me, where is she?
I don't know where she is. I hope you're not up to any mischief.
This is the third time you are arresting crops. Next time you do it again, I will use my gun on you.
You're a naughty girl. Do you think that Cross means well for you?
And how is that your business? Tell me. How is that your business? He is my boyfriend, not yours. So whatever intentions he has for me, it's my business.
Tell Cross that if I see him close to you again, I will use my own gun on his head.
I will not warn you again.
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong, what you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing that?
Warn Monique. Warn her. She should stop harassing my boyfriend. Please. The next time she tries anything like that, I will personally shoot her with my gun. Now you're keeping quiet. Now I'm complaining my issues to you. You are keeping quiet. Remain silent though. Remain silent. Remain silent.
So tell me why you're fighting your family. People that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing. Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Did you go to her boyfriend?
Yes.
Why?
Cross. He has been the one behind Carl's behavior and why she's acting this way. He's been deceiving her.
And what makes you think you have the right to go to him?
She's my sister.
And I say to you, you don't have any right whatsoever to go to your sister's boyfriend. I am the only one that have the right to talk to him if there need be.
Mom!
Yes. Don't try it next time. Meanwhile, the barrister was here a few minutes ago. He said the court is on strike.
Meaning the court won't sit again?
Yes. Why that face?
I do not like it. I wanted to show Kali that it is not the person that calls the police first that wins the case.
Be that as it may, I want you to go upstairs and apologize to your sister.
What?
Yes.
Me? No way, Mom. No way.
Go upstairs and apologize to your sister.
Oh no, Mom. What you're asking of me is impossible. Look at me, I am such a comforted human being. And I'm only trying to better my younger sister's life. It is for the betterment of the family. So you're asking me to go and apologize for what I did right. It's bullshit.
Monique?
Continue.
Hey! Come here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Who are you?
I am Paul's younger sister, yes.
Paul's younger sister. I see.
Paul! Paul!
Kamala, at your service.
Who is she?
She's my sister. I told your mother before I invited her.
You told my mother?
Yes, ma'am.
So, why is she here? Why did she come?
Oh, you know, all these girls in the village, my sister just finished writing her WAEC. And since she finished her WAEC, I don't want her to be walking up and down in the village. You know how it is now. So I said she should come to the city and stay with me for a while so that I can be able to see if I can get her a job. Please, ma.
Okay. Are you ready to work?
Ma, yes, ma. Very ready, like 1,000,000% ready. I am ready, ma.
I'll get her a job.
Hey!
Thank you, ma.
Thank you very much. Sorry, ma.
Sorry, ma.
See me in my room.
Alright, ma. I will, ma.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you, ma.
Come inside. Come inside.
Ma, you say I should come.
I'll prefer you call me auntie.
Okay, auntie.
You said you want to work.
Yes, ma. Sorry, yes, auntie.
Do you know what PA means?
Yes, personal assistant.
Right. From today, you'll be my PA. Yes, you'll be my PA. You're going to be arranging my room, get all my personal belongings and put them together. Maybe tomorrow I'll take you out so you can shop some nice clothes for yourself.
Wow! Thank you so much. Sorry, thank you so much, auntie. God will bless you.
You're welcome. Let's talk about your salary. How much do you want?
Any amount you want, ma. Sorry, any amount you want, auntie.
I'll pay you 50k.
50,000 naira. Thank you, ma. God will bless you. God will bless you, ma. Thank you so very much.
Okay. Because of how appreciative you are, I will make it 70,000.
70,000 naira. 70. Ma, let me start work. Where should I start stealing from? Mama, there is those here.
Just go and get rag so you can just...
Yes, I'll do that now. Thank you, ma. I'm coming, ma.
Mr. P. My brother.
Daisy, what is happening? Tell me now,
God.
What happened?
This God is wonderful. Oh. Do you know that Calista said I will now be working as a personal assistant?
Hey! Tell me something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And guess how much she said that she will pay me?
20,000.
Even with the idea of all the whole praise I said that you should praise, we're supposed to know that it's more than that.
20,000 is big.
This 20,000. She said that she will pay me 70,000 naira.
John, 70 what?
70,000. Oh.
What?
Hey.
John, I'm fainting.
You're fainting.
I'm fainting.
And you're still talking.
I'm fainting.
Somebody that is fainting would
I'm fainting.
Mr. P.
70 what?
70,000.
Cash.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash?
Stop this thing that you are doing. Stand up.
70,000 cash.
Yes, 70,000 naira. She says it's every month. Oh, she'll be paying 25th of the month for that matter.
Hey! Jesus, small madam.
The God is wonderful. You see, this girl now that everybody's complaining that you see that she's good to me.
Small madam is good.
Yes, so she's very good. Oh. I am telling you, she's very good. I least expected it, honestly.
Don't tell me this.
I'm telling
small madam
you.
is very, very good. Oh.
Very, very good. Oh.
In fact, I need to faint again.
Faint again? No, don't do it. Oh. Don't do it. Oh. Don't do it. Oh. Me, I will faint for you. Is it not me that is supposed to faint? It's me that they are paying the 70,000 naira now. In fact, let me faint for you. Mr. P.
Don't try to. Don't try to. Don't try to. Don't try it.
Who the hell are you? And what right have you to barge into my office like you're uninvited?
Barrister, I can see your plan has worked, but your strength is what I'm yet to see.
You claim to know it all.
You thought money is everything, but you forgot power and connection.
Now listen to me. I am giving you today and tomorrow to read my father's will, or you release all those documents in your custody.
It is not in your place nor power to make decisions against its family.
I know it is not in my place, but listen to me. If you don't do what I've asked you to do, I don't think you'll be able to live to tell the story. Listen, I will not only send my boys to crush you, but those you love will go down with you. Your wife, your children, your family member will all die with you. And I will personally use my gun on you.
The police will have to hear this.
I don't care! Call whosoever you want to call. Do what I ask you to do, and you will live in peace. If you don't, everyone around you will go down with you in pieces. I will not repeat myself again.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against the family?
How? Just now? Is she mad? What's wrong with this girl? What? No. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, right, I'll do it. Yes? Who is peaceful? No parents, side, and everything. What is wrong with her? She is saying something. She went ahead and treated me as Fred. For what? What is wrong with this girl? She's saying something. It's even what I was sweating to go and strike.
Good afternoon.
Come back here, Kali. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the lawyer's office. I went there to congratulate him for carrying out his plans. And guess what? I gave him my instructions. If he does not follow it, he will hear from me.
Kali, you went and threatened a lawyer?
Is he God?
Kali!
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Come back here.
What
is in that bag and where are you taking them?
These are my stuffs. Yes. I'm sorry I haven't told you yet. Joanne is my new PA.
Anyway, you have to get ready because the lawyer will be after you.
Mother, do I look like I care? Huh? I don't care. And listen, go and tell that your charge and pay lawyer. If I ever see him around this building, if I ever see him in this house, I will personally shoot him with my gun. Better warning.
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that.
See that you're gone? You might not be able to use it again.
For the people who care for you, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult? For the people who care for you, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Whoa. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
These men are from the state police headquarters. And they are here for you.
Who are you?
There is an order for us to come and invite you to the station.
An order from the station? Mom, can you hear what these two fools are spitting out from their mouths?
I heard them well. And you need to follow them to the station to know why you are invited.
Really? So that's all you can say? Well, both of you, go and tell whosoever that sent you that I am unavailable. Rubbish.
Hey, madam, you wouldn't want us to apply for some?
Apply force on who? Do you know whose daughter I am?
We are not going to add any force on you. Only if you obey the order and follow us to the station.
Oh, that's fine. I'll be back.
Then he has to go with you.
Go with me to where? Do you know I'm going to? Do you want to rape me? Do you want to rape me?
What's my pants? You wanna see my pants?
Officers, please. Please. Allow her to go. Trust me, she'll be back.
No, Mom, leave them. Let them keep on blabbing. You want to follow me to my room? Come and see my pants now. Rubbish. You want to follow me to my room? You want to see my pants? You're seated here while your daughter is arrested.
Yes, what is it?
Carly has been arrested.
So, what is your problem? Hasn't that been our prayer all this while?
Our prayer has been for her to change, not to get arrested.
Anyway, they said it's an invitation, not an arrest.
That is what they would tell you, Mom. And why did Barrister Fred go to that extent?
He told me and I gave him my permission.
You did?
Yes, I did. Carly, your sister, needs to cool off. If not, that girl will get you and I into a situation we'll find difficult to exonerate ourselves from.
So you actually knew that it was an arrest?
They said it's an invitation, like I said. But if it turns out to be an arrest, so be it.
That same family reputation we're talking about. Mom!
Mom! Monique! I want this topic ended.
hi.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Do you know me?
No.
I'm Monique, Kali's sister.
Monique, Kali. Oh! Good afternoon.
Where are you headed?
I'm going to ShopRite.
Okay, help in. Let me give you a ride.
Okay, thank you.
There's something I want to ask before we leave.
Okay.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Oh. Yes, I do.
The one you sold your father's land and gave the money to?
God forbid. Me. Sold my father's land and gave a man the money. Me.
Why are you saying God forbid? Is it a bad thing?
It's a very bad thing to do. I can't sell my father's land and give a man the money. And by the way, who is feeding you with all this fake news?
I know your brother.
My brother? But why would you tell you all these lies? See, he's my brother, but I don't like his character, the way he behaves, and I don't like what he's doing. And I've talked to your sister about it several times, but she doesn't give listening ear. She will tell me that she loves my brother and there is nothing I can do about it. So I just have to let it slide.
Talk to my sister about what?
The way she spends on my brother. He's my brother. But what is bad is bad. I am a woman. But what he's doing to another woman, I don't like it. And I don't know what else to do.
Tell your brother to stay away from my sister. Because if I remember him, he would not like the outcome. ShopRite, huh? This boy has succeeded in ruining our family. What do I do to him? Arrest him? I don't even have enough evidence. My sister is an adult. This is really bad. This is bad.
Why are you calling me?
They have arrested your sister.
You think so?
I'm telling you, as he asking me, I think so. I know so.
Bella, I've been thinking about it too. Why did she follow her to this police station? Did they arrest the both of them? If not, why did she follow her along?
Have you gone to ask madam?
Why am I asking madam? Is madam the one that arrested her daughter?
You have a point too. But why not go and ask Madam Monique? So to know what's up.
That will be asking too many questions now. The best thing is for me to wait from now till tomorrow morning. In fact, if I wait from now till this night, if Joan does not come back, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to the police station myself and find out things.
I think that will be better. But sorry to ask, Paul, when you get to the police station, what are you going to tell them? I mean, how are you going to express yourself?
Are you stupid? Why are you insulting me? How do you mean? Like, am I an illiterate?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I only asked the question. Sorry, degree holder.
You that went to university and got a certificate, yet you ended up in the kitchen.
At least I went to school.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I can speak fluently, unlike you. Can you speak?
English?
English.
I can speak English now. What have you been speaking?
You can speak English. Oh yeah, define now. What is a now? And I promise you, if you define it, I will agree to be your girlfriend here and now.
Do you know how hot my brain is? I should define now. Such a simple thing that you asked me to define, and you are putting our love online. Okay. Now is as we are discussing now. That is keta. And now is as we are discussing now.
You don't have sense.
I mean now, as we are talking now.
And you sound stupid at the same time. Fool.
You put your salary on the line, and now I've defined it. It's very, very difficult for you to bring it out. What is a now? Very simple English. A now is now. Keta in the bar now. Simple something. You are beginning to be very, very insultive. That thing sounded like an insult, even though I'm not too sure.
So to what do I owe this?
Why did you arrest my sister?
I did not arrest your sister. I only called in the police to take her in so she could sign an undertaking for threatening my life.
A threat you couldn't call my mother to solve?
The threat to life is not what your mother can afford to handle. It's basically the work of the police or we the lawyers. I would have gone ahead to sue her directly. But because of the respect I have for your family, I decided not to.
Would you have done this if my father was still alive?
Oh, come on. Your father does not own my life. The only person that can stop me from taking up whoever threatened me is God. And not your father.
Call the police. I do not want her to be locked up.
They won't. Unless your sister proves stubborn.
How do you mean?
If she refuses to sign the undertaking, she will be locked up.
Are you sure?
I'm very certain. It's just for her to sign the undertaking and then she's free to go. Do have a nice day. Call the police when my life is at stake. It doesn't work like that, no?
Johan, where's your madam?
That is exactly what she has been telling me now. Her madam has finally been arrested.
I said it. I knew it.
You said what?
Yes, she was. Do you know that when we got to the police station, there is this woman that was interrogating, asking her questions. Next thing, a hot slap landed on that lady's cheek.
Kasala. Small madam too like problem.
Will I be lying? Yes, so she did, and trust policewomen. Now these wicked policewomen, they beat her mercilessly, blue and black. They humbled her. Once, so they humbled her once and had to put her in the cell. It was just one place so that the slap will not get to me.
John, with the way things are going, I think you have to resign. In fact, you should be going back to the village any moment from now.
No, kill that idea, beg, brother. Just kill it. Go back to the village to go and do what? No, tell me now. What will I be going to the village to do? Just bagoding now. Tell me.
Save your life now.
No, it's before that I was afraid. Now we die here. Go back to the village and leave this work. They are not paying me just 50k or 70,000 naira a month. I should leave it and go back to the village over my dead body. Do you know what she has done for me? The 70,000 naira is not among the tip money she used to give me. Was I like this? Bella, look at me very well. Was I like this when I came to this house? Look at my hair. Touch it is bone straight, blonde. Very expensive hair like this. Even my wardrobe, everything. I want me to leave it and go back to the village. I'm not going anywhere.
John, I think you have a point. You have a point. But
let me understand better.
It shocked you, Abi?
She's paying you 70,000 naira.
Yes, she is.
It shocked you?
And he's telling me to go back.
It shocked me too. And she's not a graduate. She's not a graduate, ordinary WAEC. That's person 6 now. In fact, I fainted 2 times when she told me. Serious issue. 70. It shocked you?
Excuse me.
You're leaving? Bella.
Why is she acting like that?
Are you a child? Why are you saying that, man? She is a graduate with certificate, but they are paying her 50. And you're not a graduate. You have no certificate, only passing CC, and you are collecting 70.
Oh, now I feel her pain.
You should be feeling her pain now.
Child.
The pain is coming from the inside.
Hey, whoa.
And she's even working all her life inside the kitchen.
Now you see? And you want me to go back to the village? What do you want me to go and be doing in the village? 70,000 naira.
You have a point too. It's just that your life is more important to me than money.
Live that life. Live that life. I'm not going to die. Even if they had locked the both of us in the cell, we'll still come out now. I will now continue my PA work.
She will leave you in the cell.
She will not leave me.
Big man daughter.
She will not leave me, I beg. I'm not going anywhere, I beg. Have you seen my phone? I beg. I'm not going. Which boy will do all those ones for me in the village?
I'm just coming for Barrister Fred's office.
Did you see him?
Oh. He said exactly what you said. Though he also said that she'll only be locked up if she refuses to sign the undertaking.
Your sister is locked up already.
What?
Yes. She went to the police station and fought the officer and got locked up.
Huh. How did you know about that?
Her PA came back and told me all the story.
Something is definitely wrong with Kali.
And where are you going?
I'm rushing to the station.
Don't bother.
Why?
They won't give you an ear.
Coming.
Good day, ma.
What happened at the station?
Ma, when we got to the police station, my madam was asked to sign an undertaking that was brought by a barrister that she threatened. But she refused to sign it. And alongside, she started exchanging words with one of the female police officers there. I don't know what even brought one thing that the woman said, and my madam just slapped the police officer. The woman slapped her back and she just went there and started fighting with them, and they just locked her up.
Okay. You can go. You can go.
I should go, ma. Alright.
You don't make things easy for me.
Well, she is fine, no? The police refused to grant her bail.
Why? What did she do?
She assaulted a barrister.
What kind of a barrister is that? Your client insulted you and all you could do is just to arrest her.
Well, she didn't only assault the barrister, she refused to sign the undertaking and at the same time fought with the policewoman. That is the reason why they threw her into cell.
What kind of a girl is that? See the kind of girl you are dating. Hope you see what I've been telling you about that girl. Why did you even choose that girl instead of her sister? Are you not seeing her sister?
You know what? I'm done with this conversation.
Oh, I'm not surprised. You don't ever want to hear anything about that girl. Should I serve the food now? You don't want to eat again? Am I the one that asked her to go and fight? Where you are?
you headed?
To my office, of course.
Why? You're supposed to go to the police station.
What for?
For your daughter's bail.
Oh, I don't think I want to do that. She needs to stay there and cool off.
Mom, please. I don't want to do this myself. I don't think it's going to end well at the station.
Oh, really? Then get ready to stay behind the counter yourself. I'm off to work.
Good day, Barrister.
Good day to you, Money. It's good to see you.
Well, it's not good to see you.
What is the problem?
My sister was locked up yesterday.
Oh, I'm aware. The police told me.
They told you?
Yes, they did. She refused to sign the undertaking. And then your sister was stubborn enough to engage one of the officers in a fight.
Please, call the police to grant her bail. We can settle this at home.
Unfortunately, it is not in my power to do that. Mine is just for her to sign the undertaking.
I really do not like the way this matter is turning out.
I was just on my way out when you came in.
Barrister, do something about my sister.
There is nothing I can do. Send words over to her to sign the undertaking.
Would you really have done this if my father was alive?
I already told you that your father does not own my life.
So tell me why you fighting your family, the people that care for you the most, and you know that it's wrong. What you are doing, why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you making life so difficult for the people who care for you? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Whoa, whoa. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Yes, you're better off in the land of the dead.
You're pointing a gun at me?
Calista!
Shoot.
Shoot me! Don't dare me! Shoot me if you can! Shoot you! I will kill you!
Hold the trigger.
I'm serious! You think I'm scared of you? Jesus, Really? Really? Don't do that! Don't do that! You want to see what I can do? Calista, please! You think I'm scared of you?
Where have you been?
I'm just coming back from the station.
Did you see her?
But she didn't want to see me.
She refused to see you?
She asked the police to take me away, even when I tried explaining, but she didn't listen to me.
What did you go to that police station to do in the first place? Did you try warning against that?
Mom, please! You need to do something to get Carly out of there. That place is not good for her. And if something should happen to her, you will bear the consequences. Mom!
That is 50,000 naira. Listen to me, I want you to go to the village now before I come back.
Village? Why?
Nike, you know some things are meant to be untold. Just do as I asked you. Take the money, get everything you need in this house, and go to the village. I will join you guys tomorrow morning. Alright?
Okay. I will do as you said.
I don't want to come back to this house and still meet you. Take your things and go to the village tomorrow morning. I will join you guys later.
I heard you.
I saw Carly. How come?
I saw her too.
Did you call the police?
No, I didn't.
Who bailed her then?
Maybe her boyfriend, because he's the one that brought her home.
You saw him here?
Yes, I did.
And you let him go?
What would I have done? Arrest him?
Yes, you should have arrested him!
Monique, you should allow the sleeping dog lie.
Hey, come. Who bailed Carly?
Her boyfriend crossed it.
You told you.
Okay, you can go. Alright. That boy has luck I didn't see him. Mom! Why didn't you do something?
Monique, did you hear that I said you should allow the sleeping dog lie? Yes.
Negi,
What are you still doing in this house? I'm asking you a question. What are you doing in this house? What are you doing? I'm talking to you. I thought I gave you money to go to the village. And I told you, I gave you a strict warning that I will join you there tomorrow morning. So what the hell are you still doing in this house? Why are you stubborn? You are so stubborn. You're planning on destroying my life. What is your problem?
Brother, I purposely did not go as you instructed.
Wow. You purposely did not go as I instructed. So madam, can you purposely tell me why you did not go to the village? Purposely tell me. I'm listening, all ears.
Brother, I want to be part of everything you are doing. Cross, you are my only brother. My mother, my father, and anything I can think of in this life. I want to know why you just woke up and asked me to travel to the village all of a sudden.
Listen, Neka, listen to me. There are some certain things that you don't want to know. Because if you continue to pace around trying to know those things, you will end up losing your life.
Brother, as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't mind. I don't mind.
I am begging you now to go inside the house first thing tomorrow morning. Pick everything that you need. Don't stress me. Neka, don't stress me and get the hell out of this house tomorrow morning. I will come and join you in the village, please. Every single thing I do in this house is because of you. And I don't want you to mess that up. No more disobedience. Get your stuff and leave this house tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning. No more disobedience. First thing tomorrow morning. Don't piss me off.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I'm always thinking of herself.
Yes.
Living away.
It's about to go down. I promise you I will not leave any stone unturned. And if they refuse to cooperate with me, I'll be left with no other option than to end it all. I will harm them. Alright, in the next 45 minutes I should be done with everything I'm supposed to do. I'll call you. Once I call you, start coming out. We have no time to waste. Alright.
Ma.
What were you looking at my phone?
Ma, this cloth was there. I think there is something inside.
Is she a snitch? I doubt. I mean, why would she snitch on me after all? Alright, be fast with what you're doing. You know what? My scarf is downstairs.
Okay, ma.
Bring it.
Oh, okay, ma. Alright, ma.
Can you act like a human being?
Okay, yes, ma.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I'm always thinking of herself and living a wayward life.
Be fast! God, why are you doing this? Why are you taking this so serious?
Come, you shut your trap. Shut your mouth! The only business I have with you right now is for you to sign these documents. And don't waste my time. Sign! Sign!
What is today's date?
Am I the one you're asking that stupid question? Pass it over. Pass it. Say. Close it. Hand it over. Drop your phone. Drop it. Go upstairs. Go upstairs and do not look back. Drop your phone! Go upstairs. Do not look back. Go. Go, go! I said don't look back.
You're still your mother.
Can you walk like a human being? Walk fast! Can you see your mother?
Madam, don't take law into your hands.
Officers, thank you. My daughter. Yes, ma. My God will bless you. Amen. Bless you for saving my daughter, and I am grateful.
Stop it already. I'll call you back. Sorry. Mom, what is it? What do we do? What do we do? Mom. What do we do?
You? Kelly, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. I just wanted peace between you and your family.
Officer, take them away.
Better! Let us go to station.
She's the black sheep of the family. She's a sister. She doesn't know what it means to have a family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Our sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray, she's a sister astray, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself and her selfish desires. Our sister is lost, she's a sister astray. She doesn't know what it means to family. I always thinking of herself and living a wayward life. What kind of a sister will be against her family just for selfish desire? Oh, our sister astray, the black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She's a sister astray. A sister astray. The black sheep of the family. She's a sister astray. She thinks of nothing only herself and her selfish desire.